you guys, let me get in the middle. Okay, so I'm just trying to set up the camera somewhere. Oh, this box is in the way. Okay, so you guys, I am basically in my living room because there's too much going on in this house. If I look sweaty and gross, I'm so sorry, but I just went to the store and went grocery shopping, had to pick up a bunch of stuff I needed, went to the P.O. box, and I'm basically going to be doing just like a quick, I only got 4 things from the P.O. box, so I'm just going to do a quick like showing of what I got in the P.O. box. I don't really know what it is. I have an idea of what probably came in, but yeah, I'm so tired, you guys. I'm on like 10% today, but bear with me. I have no makeup on. I'm so sorry. I hope I don't offend anybody. But anyway, you guys, I am just gonna open a couple things up just to see what's here. So let's go with the first package. Let's see what we got. And yeah, I'm not in my nail room because a lot is going on. Okay, but yeah, just bear with me. And the lighting here is not that great, but whatever, bear with me. Okay, so this thing got all beat up, I guess, and coming in the mail. But this is one thing that I got, and I'm really interested to try this. This is from the brand DIVA. I hope I said that right. And I'm so excited to try this because I had just bought one like, I forgot how long ago. I think I got it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And literally the first week I got it, I left it in the shower, and when I tried to reach to get it, it broke and it didn't work again. So I'm excited to try it. And if you guys know, I went to the Dollar Tree and I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I had a little one like this, and I already tried it, and it's not that great. It kind of feels like, you know how it goes in circles? It wants to go the other way, and it just kind of like messes with my face, and it feels very, very harsh on my face, to be honest. So I'm going to be trying them, and I'll give you guys a review when I'm done and see how great it works, because I've been wanting something like this for a while. So we are doing a review from them. They are collabing with me on that one. Okay, let's see what else this one is. Ooh. And this video is probably not going to be edited at all. Whatever you get in this video today is what you guys are going to get. So yeah. Okay, so this is me in my natural habitat, just so you guys know. Okay, I can't open this, like, I think I know what this is, and I think I'm supposed to open this in a different video. And I got too excited right now, already peeking. I kind of want to peek again. I'll give you guys a quick peek. Me too. Okay, that's it. That looks like there's a bunch of stuff in there. I actually have to look at that email again because I don't want to do something wrong. But that's going to be a good video. There's like, I think there's like $100 worth of stuff in there, and I don't know what's in it, which is amazing. It's by this company. I forgot. I think it's Jelly Nails something. But I'll be doing a video on that on its own. And actually, that's a giveaway video. They want to work with me so that one of you guys can win $100 worth of like nail art and stuff like that, which is so cool. I can't wait to do that video, but can't open it right now because I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing exactly. So let's leave that alone for right now. Oh my gosh, that got me so excited. I can't wait. I might have to do that tomorrow. Yeah, I have to do that one tomorrow. Let's see what this one is. Oh, by the way, you guys, I know a lot of you have been asking about the Dollar Tree haul giveaway thing, and I forgot to get you guys like a date. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say that November 1st I will announce the winner. And yeah, it's gonna be November 1st. I'll go back and update the video, and I'll put it in the comments somewhere or in the description box and let you guys know that on there too. But just know the Dollar Tree giveaway is on November 1st now, because my dumb self forgot to put the date. So please forgive me, you guys. I'm not perfect. I just try as hard as I can to please you guys. So this one is from GERSHION. I got a little kit from GERSHION, and it just says Polygel Nail Enhancement Kit. I think I know which kind this is. I think it's just like, I think it's like some pink and white type of polygel. No, guys, I haven't done this hand, so please excuse it. And I actually have to do it exactly like this hand because I really like what I did, and we're in the fall times right now, so this is what they look like. They don't want to focus, but oh, there we go. But that's what they look like, and I will be doing the same exact thing on this one. But you guys, I'm busy trying to finish the website for the cosmetic line. I'm doing a giveaway on that too, you guys, but I haven't, well, the website's almost done actually, but I need to do a video showing you guys everything, and I'm actually gonna be picking some people in the comment section to win some lip gloss and like facial rose serums and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about it. The website's almost done. I just gotta figure out the shipping and stuff like that, to be honest. So bear with me, but that's gonna be fun. Okay, my camera's running out of storage, but that is why I'm so excited to do the whole website, I mean the whole giveaway video. That's why I'm trying to like hurry up and get everything done. That's why I look like this. It's kind of stressful, but it's gonna be worth it. But yeah guys, that's what I got from Gershon, and I only have one thing left. Or was that it? I think that was it. Oh no, I do, I have one thing left. I was like, wait a minute, because I think I was supposed to get some from Born Pretty, and I think that's what's in here, and that'll be all. More interruptions. So my brother comes in and then my phone turns off. Focus. Okay, so I got this from Born Pretty. I'll be doing this on a separate video. They're just like butterfly decals, which I've been wanting these. So pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I'll do this in a separate video. I don't want to show you guys exactly everything. Ooh, but I wanted to see. Oh, I get to show you guys to see how good this nail brush is. This is an acrylic brush, so can't wait to show you guys that. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell button. Thank you guys for joining. My daughter's screaming. She wants my attention. She's probably watching this movie she likes. Alright guys, take care. I love you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move.